We gotta hit that again.
Yeah.
A little more center. One more time. Yep.
I didn't quite like the way that flew. Gonna go yell out one more time. No, I wouldn't go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. That's somewhat what I was worried about. Woo.
I told you it was just funny as hell to watch, eh? Especially when you're in it. It's not exactly the most... That's a pretty light barbecue. I think we need some more weight behind it. Alright, go ahead. Another shot.
Shit, man, we're gonna put this in the windshield.